Good afternoon, everybody. Israel the Trader speaking right here, and welcome back to another video. So, in this video, we are going to review PrimeXBT and tell you pros and cons of using it and stuff like that. And of course, this is one of the biggest platform, biggest trading platform, and biggest leverage trading broker, right? You can call it a broker, exchange, whatsoever you want to call this, right? It is very fantastic, guys. I like their support, what they offer here and everything. I like this Prime XPT, guys, so yeah, the first thing that you're supposed to do whenever time you get into a Prime XBT, and of course you have to have an account and all of this stuff, you have to register first. That's the first thing that you're supposed to do, right? And of course, when you are registering and you use ITT50 as your promo code, you are going to get 50% deposit bonus on each deposit that you are making to this Prime XBT. And make sure that it is just for first deposit, right? Not just all of your deposit and stuff like that. It's just your first deposit. Use ITT50 as your promo code, and link to register for this Prime XBT is down in the description of this video, and also I'll pin it in the live chat section or in the chat section, right? All right, so yeah, when you get to Prime XBT, the first thing that you're supposed to know, you're supposed to know about the platform and stuff like that. So now this is Prime XBT, and of course, I say you have to open your account and stuff like that. You see the best crypto and forex broker forex award. I like trading it. The fact that they offer forex and also they offer crypto trading is really amazing, guys. It's awesome. So if you are somebody that had been looking for something that you can trade Bitcoin, and also you can trade forex on it, this platform is a way for you to go. So and also it is the best platform for margin trading, and their leverage is really insane, guys. We are just about to talk about this Prime XBT and stuff like that. So today we are going to talk about it, and I'll be doing more videos about this Prime XBT and stuff like that, how you can trade, how to deposit, and lots of things, guys. So yeah, that's that. You can, of course, you can open a free account. Use the link down in the description below of this video to get a 50% deposit bonus on each of your deposit that you are making to this Prime XBT, right? So yeah, innovative tools, advanced features and stuff like that. You can see their chart is advanced, man. It's advanced. So I really like this. And of course, this is just our first video about the Prime XBT and stuff like that. You can see how you can deposit, how you can execute your trade. They have limit order, they have market execution, they have stop loss, and they have take profit and stuff like that. You can set everything in here within the platform. No need for you to leave the platform, guys. Within the platform you can do everything, everything. And of course, they say that set up your trading account. Registration takes only 40 seconds, and of course it takes 40 seconds. Just click on the link down in the description of this video, guys. All right, so of course I say that they offer crypto, they offer forex trading and lots of things, guys. And of course you can see it right here. You see that this market is for cryptocurrency, right? You can see BTC USD, Ethereum USD, Litecoin, XRP, EOS, and lots more, guys. And of course at the right hand side you have your S&P 500. You can trade S&P 500 with Prime XBT. To be honest with you guys, it is a really amazing platform, right? You can trade currencies and stuff like that right here. So I recommend this for you guys. If you need one, just go and set up your account, use ITT50 as promo code, then you are going to get 50% deposit bonus. So take your trading to the next level and stuff. Also, there is something that Prime XBT used to offer, guys. They used to offer covesting. So covesting, don't worry, once we log in, I'll try and explain this in much more details, but I'm trying to give you what you are going to be expecting whenever time you log into your Prime XBT account, or whenever time you try to trade and all of this stuff. So I'm just giving you an idea of what you're going to be expecting when you log into your Prime XBT account, right? Of course, we'll log into my account so that you can see some of the things that we used to do in PrimeXBT, or we'll do a follow-up video where I will, show you guys how to do this, how to deposit, how to trade on the PrimeXBT, how to log in, and all of these stuff. It's very, very simple. And of course, you don't have any you don't need much things for you to register. It just takes about 40 seconds. Say you want to register now, you just click on register, or you click my link down in the description below to get a 50% deposit bonus. Once you click on that, you just log in, put in your email, password, and also phone number. Click on this and you are good to go. You're good to go, because it doesn't take much of your time whenever time you are trying to register an account with PrimeXBT. And of course, like I said, they are the best leading crypto trading and forex trading broker or exchange out there right here on internet. So after you register, you now log into your account, and of course I have account with them, so we'll log in to my account, right? But let's go back down to the home page so that we can see one or two things. And of course, you guys can see that it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. You have this Bitcoin feedback and all of these stuff, guys. You can check the chart. They update you live and direct and stuff like that. So PrimeXBT is a way to go, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what to expect on PrimeXBT. So yeah, in maybe a few days, I will do a follow-up video where I will upload and show you guys a different things that you are supposed to do inside your dashboard and all of this stuff, right? So this is just like introduction to the PrimeXBT video, and of course we'll do a follow-up video and expect a lot more to come up on this channel about cryptocurrency and all of this sort of stuff, guys. So yeah, that's the end of the video. And of course, if today is your first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and most importantly, like the video, subscribe to the channel, man. Of course, follow us on our social media handles: Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all of these things. All the links are going to be provided down in the description below. So once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and thank you very much for checking on us today. See you next time in our next upcoming video. See you soon, guys, and peace out, man.